Hello students, topic for today's lecture is general standing. In law, standing or the locus standi is the term for the ability of a party to demonstrate to the court the sufficient connection to and harm from the law or action challenged to support that party's participation in the case. Standing exists from one of three causes. The party is directly subsequent and subject to an adverse effects by the statutes or the action in question, and the harm suffered will continue unless the court grants relief in the form of damages or a finding that the law either does not apply to the party or that the law is void or can be nullified. This is called the something to lose doctrine, in which the party has standing because they will be directly harmed by the conditions for which they are asking the court for the relief. Then, the party is not directly harmed by the conditions by which they are petitioning the court for the relief, but ask for it because the harm involved has reasonable relation to their situation, and the continued existence of the harm may affect the others who might not be able to ask a court for the relief. In the United States, this is the ground for asking the law to be struck down as violating the First Amendment to the Constitution of the United States, because while the plaintiff might not be directly affected, the law might so adversely affect others that one might never know what was done or created by those who fear they would become subject to the law, the so-called chilling effects doctrine. The party is granted automatically standing by act of the law. Under some environmental laws in the United States, a party may sue someone causing pollution to certain waterways without a federal permit, even if the party suing is not harmed by the pollution being generated. The law allows them to receive attorney's fees if they substantially prevail in the action. In some US states, a person who believes a book, film, or other work or art is obscene may sue in their own name to have the work banned directly without having to ask a district attorney to do so. In the United States, the current doctrine is that a person cannot bring a suit challenging the constitutionality of a law unless the plaintiff can demonstrate that he or it is or will imminently be harmed by the law. Otherwise, the court will rule that the plaintiff lacks standing to bring the suit and will dismiss the case without considering the merits of the claims of the unconstitutionality. To have a court declare a law unconstitutional, there must be a valid reason for the lawsuit. The party suing must be something to lose in order to sue unless it has automatic standing by action of the law. Thank you.